Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Vizio soundbar with an easy step-by-step method.
Method 1. Using the soundbar buttons. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio soundbar. Step 2. Press and hold the volume down button on the soundbar itself. Step 3. While holding volume down, press and hold the input button at the same time. Step 4. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds until the soundbar turns off and then back on. Step 5. Release the buttons. Your soundbar is now reset to factory settings. Method 2. Using the remote, if available. Step 1. Turn on your soundbar. Step 2. Press and hold the mute button on the remote. Step 3. While holding mute, press and hold the volume down button on the remote. Step 4. Hold both buttons for 5 to 10 seconds until the soundbar powers off and then on. Step 5. Release the buttons. The reset is complete.